I just coughed up mucus all over the dinner table, and honestly, it was a good thing. See, I've had this lingering cough for the last week and a half. My girlfriend and I have both had it. We've tried water gurgling, literally everything you could think of. But then my mom put me onto this. So these 6 ingredients break down the mucus in your lungs. I guess it's super good for you. I had no idea. I take this with 2 or 3 drops in some water. You could probably take it straight up. There's no bitter taste. It doesn't taste like anything. With the fall season coming up, people are going to be buying this out the wazoo. I would pick it up while you still can. Plus, they do one-on-one donations to poor kids in Africa. Not trying to guilt trip you, but that's a big plus. Go check it out with the link down below.